After trying this recipe, I only want to eat potatoes this way. For this recipe, we're gonna need some potatoes. I'm using 7, but you can use as many as you want. Cut them in half, this way, then put them in a pot. Cover with water, and add 1 tablespoon of salt. When it starts to boil, cover with the lid and leave it to cook for 15 minutes or until they soften. And our potatoes are boiled. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add the potatoes. And before I forget, write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Sakina Mashi from Nigeria. Thank you for keep on following our recipes. Fry them on the bottom, then mix to fry the sides. You guys, this recipe is delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now, season the potatoes. Add black pepper, garlic, oregano, paprika, butter, and mix well. Everything is to taste. Finally, squeeze 1 lemon and mix again. And our potatoes are ready. Look how easy this recipe is. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.